Good morning. Today we are going to see about k-means clustering algorithm. Okay. So it is one of the hierarchical clustering algorithm. Here grouping is based upon the mean value. Okay. So based upon the difference in the mean value, you are going to group the clusters. Okay. And find the similarity between the objects. Okay. So what are the steps needed for implementing k-means algorithm is initially you have to take the mean for the value. Step 2 is you have to find the nearest number of mean and put it in the same cluster. And step 3 is you have to repeat step 1 and step 2 until we get the same mean value. Now we are going to see one example where set S is equal to 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 20, 12, 20, 25 and 30. Okay. So this is S. Okay. Now what is n value? N is nothing but the number of sets in the cluster. Now n is equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now initially I am going to split randomly into k clusters. So where n is greater than k. Okay. So what is k value is equal to 2. I am going to initially split it into 2 clusters. To split it into 2 clusters, first I have to randomly choose the 2 mean values m1 and m2. What is m1? I am taking 4. And m2 I am taking it 12. Okay. So now what is n value? N is equal to 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Similarly 10 minus 12 is equal to 2. So now based upon the differences you are going to group into the first and 2 clusters. Okay. So now you take 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is equal to 2. Where 2 minus 12 is equal to 10. Okay. So which has the minimum difference? This one. So I have to put it into this cluster. Similarly 3 minus 4 is equal to 1, where 3 minus 12 is equal to 9. 3. And if you take 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, where 4 minus 12 is equal to 8. I'll put it into this cluster. Where if you take 10, the number 10, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, where 10 minus 12 is equal to only 2. So I can put 10 here. Similarly 11, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7, 11 minus 12 is equal to 1. So similarly, I have to find the difference and I have to put it inside this clusters. Okay. So after this, I have to find the mean value. How will I find the mean value? 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3. So which is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3, where now m1 is equal to 3. Similarly, 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 by 6 divided by 6 is equal to 108 by 6, which is equal to 18, where m2 is equal to 18. Okay. So now m1 is equal to 3 and m2 is equal to 18. Now consider the n value. N is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Similarly 10 minus 18 is equal to 8. Again you have to divide it into k clusters. Okay. So how will you divide it into the k clusters? Similarly you have to find the difference. Okay. So how will you find the difference? By grouping. So 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. Where 2 minus 18 is equal to 16. So where I will put 2 here. Similarly 3 minus 3, 0. Where 3 minus 18 is equal to 15. So I will put 3 here. Similarly 4 minus 3, 1. I will put 4 here. And if you take 10, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Whereas 10 minus 18 is equal to 8. So I will put 10 here. Okay, where 11 minus 3 is equal to 7, whereas 11 minus 18 is equal to 7. So I will put 11. Similarly 12 minus 18 is equal to 6. So 12, and then 20 minus 18 is equal to, has the minimum difference. I will put 20, 25 and then 30. Now again you have to find the mean value. How will you find the mean value? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 19 by 4, where now m1 is equal to 4.75, which is approximately equal to 5. Okay. Now m1 is equal to 5. Similarly here 11 plus 12 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 divided by 5. Divided by 5. Okay. So which is equal to m2 is equal to 19.6, which is approximately equal to 20. Okay. So now what is the m value? M value is equal to 5 m1 and m2 is equal to 20. Okay. Now think of the clusters. What are the clusters there? Clusters is equal to, S is equal to 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, then 20, 25, 30. Okay. So now you have to group it based upon the clustering. Okay. So consider the n value. N is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, whereas 10 minus 20 is equal to 10. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So you put here. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So we will put 4 here. 5 minus 10, 5. Okay. Whereas 5 minus 10 is equal to, so we will put 10 here. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Whereas 11 minus 20 is equal to 9. So I will put 11 here. Okay. Similarly, if you take 12, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, whereas 12 minus thing is equal to 8. So I will put here. Other things, 20 minus 20, 0. So 20 here, 25 here and 30 here. So if I take the mean value, what will be the mean value? The mean value I will get is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 divided by 6. So which is equal to 7. Where here 20 plus 25 plus 30 divided by 3, where mean is equal to 25. So now M1 is equal to 7 and M2 is equal to 25. Okay. So what will the n value now? N is equal to 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. But 10 minus 25 is equal to 15. Okay. So how can you group it in the clusters? Already you have grouped it. Okay. So based upon the differences. So if you group it, you will get the same values only. 2, 3, 4, 10, 11 and 12. Here you will get 10 minus 25 minus 30. Because how? 5 minus 11 and 5 minus 12 is equal to 6 and then here it is equal to 7. Whereas 20 minus 11 and 20 minus 12 is equal to 9 and 8. Okay, so based upon the differences, you group it and put it. When you find the mean value, again you get M1 is equal to 7 and M2 is equal to 25. Therefore, the same mean occurs. So here you have to stop the grouping. So this is the end of the k-means algorithm.